WhatsApp has just launched What's Business in India. This is an app where you can just go and do something very interesting what businessmen really need of. To know what you can do in this app and to know how you can set up all these, just follow my video till the last and get to know what we can do. Installing the WhatsApp business app for now, and you have to follow the same steps which you follow while installing the simple WhatsApp app. Now you will find a new option, business settings, and you have to just tap there on profile and you will get a page like this where you can put your photo, update your location, set your business address, business category. There are a lot of categories out there. You can select one of them, and business hours where you can just set up your time, the time of your activity of your shop, like when you are active, when your business is active, you can just set it up here. Like here I'm setting always open, so it is on 24 hours on every day. So that is the thing. And now you can put your email address and you have an option to put your website. Just do all that and just tap on the save button to save it.
Preview.